Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make immunity booster pink lime juice. This is really very refreshing and very tasty and very easy to make. So let's begin with our process. और हम ये रेसिपी शुरू करें उसके पहले मैं आपको अपने दूसरे चैनल के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ. आप सबके डिमांड पे मैंने वो दूसरा चैनल शुरू किया है जिसका नाम है एट होम विद अल्पा इन हिंदी. ऊपर जो लिंक दिख रहा है बस उसे क्लिक कर दीजिए और हो जाइए सब्सक्राइब मेरे उस दूसरे चैनल को भी. और चलिए अब हम शुरू करते हैं ये रेसिपी को. सो फॉर दिस रेसिपी गाइज वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ गुड ब्लेंडर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड 1 cup of pomegranate seeds. Here I used one entire pomegranate and I got these many seeds. And now we are going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. You can always use powdered sugar. And I'm adding about 1/8 cup of water to it, and we are now going to blend it. Once blended, let's run this pomegranate juice through a sieve and collect it into a bowl. So guys, we all know that pomegranate is a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and is high in fiber. So that is why guys it is a big immunity booster. If you're trying to fight any kind of flu, this is the perfect drink. Now that we have the pomegranate juice into the bowl, let's add it into the blender just one more time, and then let's add juice of half a lime into it along with juice of one entire orange. Guys, make sure that you are using fresh orange juice and not the Tetra Pak or carton. We all know that lime and orange contain a lot of vitamin C, which is an immunity booster, thus making this drink perfect for the flu season. And now I'm also going to add a pinch of salt to balance out the taste. Follow it up with 8 to 10 ice cubes and 1/4 cup of cold chilled water. And now let's give it a blend, and once we're done with the blending, then remove your favorite glasses and serve yourself a drink because you deserve it. It is going to be absolutely refreshing. I'm telling you, you are going to love this juice. And guys, I like to personally garnish it with few pieces of pomegranate. You can totally skip this step. Also guys, this juice is good for 4 glasses, so do make it accordingly. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And if you like this recipe, there are other recipes which you do not want to miss, so do click on them. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button for my Hindi channel at home with Alpa in Hindi, and please do support that second channel as well. Bye bye, take care.